So I just followed this random road, I don't know, maybe about a mile in, maybe about 3/4 of a mile, and there were no signs that said private property or anything like that, and it doesn't really lead anywhere, but I don't see any fire rings. But I think I'm gonna stay here for the night. I'm looking for a place, and this seems about as good as any. Of random road for the night of the 4th. There's the trail I came in on, and there's the Jeep, and it looks like maybe there's a trail that goes beyond this, but it's not as well, I wouldn't say marked, but wore in as to where I am. But it's not exactly level, but I'm leaning towards the door in my bed, which is fine because I sleep on that side anyway. And it's just a quick stop. I'm not getting sorted or anything like that. I'm only moving one box up to the front seat. I am going to take off my shoes, change quick, and crawl in and try to get some sleep because I want to get moving tomorrow morning and try to see this one river nearby that is like the Ozark River or something like that. I can't remember the name of it, but it's supposed to be pretty neat, and it's going to be a sunny day tomorrow, so I want to get an early start and then possibly push out of Missouri unless I find somewhere really cool to sleep tomorrow. So that's it, in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Sent my coordinates to my girlfriend so that she has them. I can hear the cows in the background. It's kind of eerie actually, because this is literally in the middle of nowhere. If someone comes driving down here, it will be it'll be an interesting thought, that's for sure. So anyway, that's it for the night. I am going to get settled in and call it a day. So here's the road that took me to the trail road that I went on last night. It wasn't marked on the Garmin. You can see that there's a clear path down there, and there's absolutely nothing on the side of the trees or no posts or anything, so that's why I went in there. Actually, there's a, we call it a street marker. So that's road 4065. From what I can tell, here in Mark Twain National Forest. So it was a quiet spot, just heard the cows at night and little else. Heard a couple of gunshots this morning because it's turkey season, or they might be hunting something else or killing something else, I don't know, but it was probably a good quarter mile away. But good spot nonetheless. Got some sleep, got up kind of early, but ended up just chilling out in the back of the cab for a little while. And now it's a nice, beautiful, sunny day to go check out the Ozark Scenic Riverway. So right down, literally a few feet from the road that I turned in, is this nice spot where I could have just been off the side of the quiet road. And it's pretty much the same thing, but it only goes in so far. And this one here is 4066, and it said that this one is only, well, it is 0.6 miles, so it does go back there, but there's a couple of nice little flat spots to sit on. So this is a pretty decent road to find. It's not anything I found on freecampsites.net or iOverlander, and this is Road in Mark Twain National Forest. Alright, I am at Blue Springs along the Current River, and it's only about a half-mile hike in here. I haven't had my coffee yet, so I'm going to make that real quick and then take it with me and see what it's all about. So all of that is just straight up mud. I can't believe I haven't fallen yet. And the water level is right here. So I imagine not too long ago you probably couldn't even get through that, because on the other side there it's a big puddle of water that you need to walk around. So guess I got lucky here that I got here when I did. Alright, so I guess it's a matter of getting wet. My boots and pants are already really dirty. And I'm gonna change out of this anyway, so may as well cross it and just say the heck with it. What's incredible is that entire river is derived from this right here. That is a lot of water.